Welcome. Hi, how are you? I'm Jack Schramm, the head bartender at Pernod Ricard, New York City. I'm here to make for you today a really classic cocktail, really the proto cocktail, but one that's so easy to substitute different ingredients and make it your own. It's the old fashioned. We're gonna focus in the brown spirited realm of the Pernod Ricard portfolio today. The Smooth Ambler, which is a really beautiful bourbon that has this really powerful, strong alcohol backbone to stand up to the rest of the ingredients in the drink. So in addition to the spirit component, there's sugar. We've got maple, honey, agave, simple syrup, so many options that you can customize your drink with, and then a wide variety of bitters, which is another important component. I'm gonna go super classic today. We're gonna make a bourbon old fashioned with Smooth Ambler. I'm gonna go in with just enough bitters to coat the bottom of that glass. Then at that point, it's time for a sweet component. You're gonna go in with a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, right in the glass, and really high quality bourbon. It's gonna be bitters to coat the bottom of the glass, so roughly 4 dashes, a 1/4 ounce of sugar, and 2 ounces of Smooth Ambler Contradiction. Ice goes in. Take your bar spoon and just give that a stir. You're gonna wanna feel the outside of the glass, feel it chilling, and as soon as it's starting to get cold and pick up some condensation from the air, that's how you know your drink is diluted. Feels cold. I think it's diluted enough for me. Let's give it a taste. Delicious, rich, full-bodied, but it's missing something. A citrus peel. Grab your orange and your Y peeler and just give that a nice big old twist, and then express that right over the cocktail. Wipe it around the outside. I always like to give it a little English on the outside of the glass. So you touch the glass, you shake hands with your friend, the whole room smells good, everyone's happy and smells amazing. And then put that right in the glass and you've got a beautiful drink for you or your friends that's so customizable. You could do scotch with honey, that's a really classic combination. Jameson goes really beautiful with maple syrup. The options are really limitless for your old fashioned. Cheers.